Unraveling the mystery of postpositive adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating and important area of English grammar, postpositive adjectives. You might be wondering, what are postpositive adjectives? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what they are but also how and when to use them correctly. Let's get started. A postpositive adjective is an adjective that appears after the noun it modifies. This might sound unusual because in English, we generally place adjectives before the nouns they describe. However, there are certain situations where adjectives come after the nouns, and that's what we call postpositive adjectives. For instance, in the sentence, "The body intact," intact, is a postpositive adjective modifying body. Now that you know what postpositive adjectives are, let's look at when we use them. Fixed phrases. They often appear in certain fixed phrases or idiomatic expressions, such as heir apparent, time immemorial, or proof positive. Relative clauses. We also use postpositive adjectives in relative clauses where the relative pronoun has been omitted. For example, I have something interesting to tell you. Superlative and ordinal numbers. When using superlative or ordinal numbers, the adjective follows the noun. E.g., the best dress available, the first man alive. With nouns followed by and. When nouns are followed by and, the adjective comes after the noun. E.g., I love all things sweet and sugary. While using postpositive adjectives, common mistakes can occur. One common mistake is using postpositive adjectives where regular prepositive ones are needed. For instance, saying, "a man afraid," instead of "a afraid man," is incorrect unless it's in a specific context, such as, "a man afraid would not go into the haunted house." Practice and context are the keys to mastering postpositive adjectives. Whenever you read English literature or listen to English conversations, pay close attention to adjective placement and try to note down and practice phrases and sentences with postpositive adjectives. And that wraps up our exploration of postpositive adjectives. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and soon using postpositive adjectives will become second nature to you. We hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Stay tuned for more exciting and insightful videos in our English language learning series. Until next time, happy learning!